Teething Comfort was my go-to as a new mom. I made this whenever I was first making all my essential oil rollers. Teething Comfort is great to roll. You roll it along the jawline, and then you can roll it onto the bottoms of feet. And then also, if you're using it when you're applying it to your kiddo, for yourself for calming, I would apply it also to my wrists, and then I would also apply it behind my ears, and then I would take it and I'd breathe in the scent to help me calm when I was also helping my kiddo calm. I also would apply this on my son on the back of his neck, and then I'd also apply this on the bottoms of his feet and then massage them in when I wanted to help him get to sleep at night. So you can use this as your kiddo gets older and it can grow with them. Enjoy trying Teething Comfort.